The first punch we're gonna learn is the jab. It's the most important punch in the game. For the jab, you wanna simply stay 50-50 and you don't wanna lean forward, all right? So just show you real quick how the jab looks like. Here, from your face, straight ahead. Okay, so the movement, you wanna have your hand straight and turn your knuckles towards the end of the punch. All right, so here and turn, here and turn. Make sure you turn your knuckles and your arm. That way your thumb is technically pointing downwards. So here, boom. Another tip, avoid bringing your hand all the way back where your body comes like this. It's a common mistake we make where when we jab and we bring it back like this. We will see your punch coming if you're doing your jab like this. So bring it back to your original stance. Jab, here. Jab, here. Jab, here. Another tip to focus on while you're throwing the jab, keep your right hand close to your face. You want to be protected while you jab as well. So here, you don't want this to drop. So a lot of times, a common mistake, this will drop, all right? So you want to keep this nice and close to your face.